Hi little boy. You're a lighter weight than Banjo is. Oh, look at him, he's smashing. Everyone's in love with him. Poor Mo, I'm so sorry. I just hope Banjo didn't get on. And I can't wait for him to get out and over to me. Look at him. You know, I'm going to keep him in here for ages, I really don't. Oh, beautiful calf. Hey, you beautiful boy. Come and sit on the bed with me. Come on. Hey. Wait. Stand still for a minute. Hey, you gorgeous boy. Come here. Look. Hello, you beauty. Hello, you gorgeous. Hey, come here. You love the beautiful boy. Oh. He's got to stay in here for a while yet. I'm terrified of him getting out the front when someone comes to the door. And he can get out the shore flappy when he's not programmed in yet. Oh, but he won't be able to get back in. Oh hell. Well, that's going to be misery for me for a while, I think. Punctuated by some lovely little cuddles with this gorgeous baby. You're going to stand still for a minute and look at the camera, Mum. No, I'm going to have some more grub, he said. Do you know what? He's eaten anything I put down, more or less. The stuff he usually has, he didn't eat last night. He's left that, so Banjo can have that later. Banjo will eat anything. Mostly. But he's eating things that I never expected him to after Mum said, oh no, he won't eat that, won't touch that, don't like that. Well, he's eating that course. He's lost a bit of weight, I reckon, from looking at him. I'm going to bring the scales up. I meant to bring them earlier and weigh him if I can get him on there. And stand still long enough. Put his food down and then put him on the scales, put his food next to it. Yeah, okay. You're going to look at the camera. Hey, you good boy. He's a love, isn't he? Oh, bless him.